We got a little update on 300, but we'll talk about that later. Right now, we're gonna talk about my Jeep. I got a 2016 Grand Cherokee SRT. Got a limit, man. So I had to file, try to see what the dealer would want to do about it. If you can even look in here, it's always leaking, and I got oil in there in my reserve tank. It's interesting. You can hear my lifter is pretty bad. I'll try to start it. It's my daily car. I got it with 12 miles. It's got like 55 now. I've been to the dealer probably, no exaggeration, at least 8 times for different issues. Excuse me. First time it was shifting hard, so they changed like CV axles instead of the transfer case. Then they finally changed the transfer case. It did fix that, but then it brought out the tapping noise that was in the motor more. And after a while, it just got worse and worse. So every time I take it back, they change something different. They changed the rack and pinion. I never had a problem with my steering. Now my steering wheel sits crooked. It don't sit right. They changed AC condenser. Now it leaks. Clearly, everybody's carbon fiber goes pretty bad. They changed all that a couple times. All these things added up, and I sent it into the dealer, basically the FCA, under some lemon law basically. And now they finally, about a year later, they acknowledged it and they agreed to buy it back. So now they're going to send me an itemized offer. That's what I'm waiting on next, after I had to send them like all my information of every payments and so forth, and we'll see what happens. It's kind of new to me, kind of interesting story. I've had the car 4 years, sorry, but yeah, since 2016. It had 12 miles. It's got 55 now. So yeah, almost 5 years. So car's just about paid off. So I'm interested in how this is gonna work out. I'll keep you posted. Any questions, hit me up. I'll let you know. All right, later, y'all.